Yeah. So the next word that we're going to become intimately acquainted with and learn the definition of is this nerve type, tibial nerve. The tibial nerve. This particular type of nerve supplies the posterior calf muscles that bend the foot downward. Alright, so that will probably be in the back of your calf. Right? Tibial nerve. I'm going to actually get the more definitive definition to this word in another video. So, be on the lookout for it. Tibial nerve. It supplies the posterior calf muscles that bends the foot downward. And knowledge be increased unto you. May you continue to grow and understand in all things that you need to grow in and understand. Love eternal. Peace resides and abides forever. See you on the next track. As you docked here with the day. Let's go.